Meaning of hesitate.
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 Hesitate. Hesitate means to pause or hold back in uncertainty or indecision. It is a verb that can be used to describe someone who is unsure about what to do or say in a particular situation, and therefore delays taking action or expressing themselves. When someone hesitates, they may appear to be lost in thought, or may take longer than expected to respond. This can sometimes create a sense of tension or apprehension in those around them. Overall, hesitation indicates a lack of confidence or clarity, which can lead to missed opportunities or mistakes.